We just had a really positive experience. Gainsborough came in, they listened to what we needed. So it wasn't just about what we needed, it was about making the bathroom a good overall experience. We went from just having a plain bath to having the wet room and a new bath fitted. The people that came we had a plan of action. We didn't deviate from the plan, even though there was some difficulties that they found. And the quality of it afterwards, they said exactly what we wanted, we got. The quality is absolutely fantastic. And all round, the experience has been so positive. If we've had any concerns, somebody's been out, we've been on the phone. That day, somebody's come out and discussed it with us. The end product has been exactly how we imagined it to be. Oh, it's just a great all-round experience. The bath in itself has got extra postural support, so when the surface users are in there, they feel confident and comfortable. So because of that, they're able to spend more time in the bath, which it becomes a more relaxing experience, which has a knock-on effect with behaviours. If you're relaxed and stress-free, life gets easier all round. So at the moment, it's just a complete and utter pleasure.